Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Farhana bint Islam. Welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and or how to manage ring topology. And in our previous video, we have shown bus topology. So let's start. Bus and ring topology are same actually, and just differences. Bus is a straight line, one backbone, and ring is a circle. Okay, let's start. So we have to take a switch, actually four switch. Just control press and drag it. Okay, this is the copy part, and if you want to take it from there, you can also take it, no problem. So just write it. Okay, now we have to take for PC. Now this is perfect. Okay, so now we have to connect it. So we need wire, and we know that different devices, so we have to use copper straight through. If same devices, we have to take uh, copper crossover. Copper crossover. Okay, now we have to wait for this connection complete. Okay, let's wait. So you can see this is red light and this is blue green light, so that means this is connected, and we need this wire also connection. See, all are connected, just this is empty. Okay, okay, we will take in this time our config part. So we have to give IP address 172.168.10.0. just copy it, paste, desktop. So our IP addressing part is also done. So if it is not connected, this is not matter, because it will also deliver the message because all other part is connected. Okay, so let's start our checking part. You can check this message also, and you can check this connection part with giving this message, and also you will give the command prompt part to check the message is transferring or not. So you can see this is successfully transfer deliver source PC2 source address and destination address PC1, so it is transferring. Okay, and if you want to also see this PC to this PC, you can also see this is successfully connected. And now we will go to our simulation part. This is simulation part and it is transferring data. Here you can see this is transferring this way because this connection is not connected. See, this is successfully run. Here you can see the tick mark. Check this. See, this is done. Okay, will go real time. So this is our simulation part also done. So this is ring topology, and if you like my video, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz.